This article lists the confirmed national football squads for the 2006 FIFA World Cup tournament held in Germany between 9 June and 9 July 2006. Before announcing their final squad, several teams named a provisional squad of 23 to 33 players, but each country's final squad of 23 players had to be submitted by 15 May 2006. Replacement of injured players was permitted until 24 hours before the team's first World Cup game. Players marked were named as captain for their national squad. Number of caps counts until the start of the World Cup, including all pre-tournament friendlies. Club information is that used by FIFA. Players for whom this information changed during or prior to the tournament are indicated by footnotes. Head coach, Luis Fernando Suarez. Head coach, Jurgen Klinsmann. Head coach, Pep Jonas. Head coach, Sven-Göran Eriksson. Head coach, Anibal Ruiz. Head coach, Lars Lagerbäck. Head coach, Leo Beenhakker. Head coach, Jose Pekerman. Head coach, Henry Michel. Head coach, Marco van Basten. Head coach, Elijah Petkovic. Head coach, Luis Oliveira Goncalves. Head coach, Branko Ivankovic. Head coach, Ricardo Lavolpe. Head coach, Luis Felipe Scolari. Head coach, Karel Bruckner. Head coach, Radomir Djkovic. Head coach, Marcelo Lippi. Head coach, Bruce Arena. Head coach, Guus Hiddink. Head coach, Carlos Alberto Pereira. Head coach, Zlatko Kranjar. Head coach, Zico. Head coach, Raymond Domenech. Head coach, Dick Advocate. Head coach, Kobe Kuhn. Head coach, Otto Pfister. Head coach, Marcos Paqueta. Head coach, Luis Arrogans. Head coach, Roger Lemaire. Head coach, Oleg Blokin. The squads for Italy and Saudi Arabia were made up entirely of players from their respective domestic leagues. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.